Welcome to English online class, all my dear children. So we are here with the last part of the chapter, The Goal Not Scored by Manoj T. Thomas. So before I start, just tell me the introduction to the story. The story is about the inter-house football match between the blue and the red house. Okay, so it was a very crucial match for both the teams because it was a chance for them to reach the final. So whoever wins among these two teams will reach to the final by getting 2 points. So both the teams, red and blue, had the do or die situation. Now here Arif was the main player of the blue house. Arif was the main star player of the blue house. Vikas was the captain of blue house. He was motivating his teammates by saying that by any cost their team needs to win the match. The red house was on the field, they were ready, and Mr. Sahu was the referee of this match. So the ball was right at the center of the ground, and with the whistle of Mr. Sahu, the match started. So match was was going on, and it was right at the mid of the field. Neither the ball was going towards the blue house goalkeeper, neither to the red house. It was playing in the mid of the field, and there were cheers, supporters from both the houses. Right? Arif was the main player, so this red house, they made a plan. The team plan was to cover the Arif and not let the ball come to the Arif. But with a very good pass. So during the match also there were players who were playing and they were falling down, getting injuries, but still the match was going on. Now Arif understood the game plan of the red house, so he started dribbling the ball. He started making his mind how to tackle this blue red house players. Now Arif got a very good pass from his team players, and he was taking the ball towards the goalkeeper of Red House. Mr. Praveen was the goalkeeper of the Red House. He was also a very tough player. Very main pillar of the Red House. So when he was taking the ball towards the goal post of the Red House, what happened? We'll continue page number 77. That he jumped over a player who had fallen over the ground. He jumped over the player, and that player was the goalkeeper of the red house, Praveen. And Arif realized that it was the goalkeeper. He seemed to be badly injured, maybe by his kick, or maybe both of them when they met each other. By his shoulders, the player got hurt and he had fallen down, and he was badly injured. He was unconscious. He could not open his eyes, Arif caught a glimpse of the goal post that was vacant and unprotected. And then Arif got a very good opportunity because right at the front of his eyes, he could see the goal post that was vacant. No one was there. The goalkeeper who had fallen down, he was injured, or maybe, and Arif did not notice at that time. And other players of his team were shouting and telling, shoot, Arif, shoot. He could push the ball through and claim his team rightfully victory. Now he had only had to need to push the ball and he could have made his team win. Then he realized that the referee had not noticed the fallen goalkeeper. But when Arif, there he stopped. Arif वहीं रुक गया और जैसे उसे देखा कि goalkeeper had fallen down or he had got injured. What he did, he stopped the ball and did not shoot. बॉल को उसने रोक लिया पैरों में और किक नहीं किया, जबकि उसके पास बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी किक करने की और बॉल को गोल में पहुंचाने की और टीम जिताने की. There were cries of shoot, and उसकी जो टीम में से shoot, kick करो, but he did not. What he did, he showed the sporting spirit, and there he stopped the game. He did not kick the ball. He stopped the ball and he gave a signal, which to the referee. He was signaling to the referee, showing him the injured player. The referee noted the injured player and decided to stop the game. And referee, he called the referee that, see, the Praveen had injured gotten, so he whistled and the game was stopped. The goalkeeper Praveen seemed to be injured seriously. He was very badly injured and he was unable to walk by himself. He was carried by the ground unconscious. So over here, I'll show you. Here is a picture how the Praveen was carried by the player, by his teammates. He was unconscious. Means he was badly injured. He could not open his eyes. Okay, and he was taken off the ground, and another goalkeeper of the Red House was brought in and to replace the Praveen. Game started and it was only 5 minutes to left the game. गेम को खत्म होने से 5 ही बाकी था और फिर से जब गेम शुरू हुआ, so again the game was played in a way more rough. Both the teams had knew that game is about to complete, and during this time the game took place again in the midfield. और बॉल जो था वो ग्राउंड के बीचों बीच घूम रहा था और इस तरह से गेम कंप्लीट हो गया. The game was over and both the teams could not score the goal and it ended with a draw. और दोनों ही टीम को एक एक पॉइंट मिल गया. Okay. The Blues were disappointed. ब्लू टीम बहुत दुखी थी. क्यों दुखी थी? क्योंकि आरिफ ने एक बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी थी गोल करने की छोड़ दी. सब टीममेट्स वाले ने उससे they were angry on आरिफ, एग्रेसिव हो गए कि you had a good opportunity, आपने गोल नहीं किया. What were you doing with the ball? Or one of the team player was asking, what were you doing with the ball? जब आपके पास बॉल था, आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी थी गोल करने की, क्यों नहीं किया? Vikas of the Blue House was unable to hide his anger and frustration. Asked the Vikas जो था कैप्टन, उसने ये बोला, विकास थे कैप्टन जो बोला कि अरे जब you had the opportunity, why did not you kick the ball? There at that moment you had the goal post undefended before you. Undefended means no one was defending you. You were all alone. Things you had to call up for the referee. All the things you had to call for referee. You acted like you didn't want the wins. आप ये चाहते थे कि आपका हाउस नहीं जीते. You acted like you didn't want your blue house to win. No, what he did was right. Santosh, the goalkeeper of the blue house, supported Arif and said, जो आरिफ ने किया वो सही किया. क्यों? क्योंकि जितना जरूरी नहीं था, इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है जितना एक स्पोर्ट्स स्पिरिट दिखाना जरूरी है. Winning is not that important. Even Arif had kicked the ball, unconscious goalkeeper, the victory would have been meaningless. मतलब अगर वो हम जीत भी जाते तो इसका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं रहता क्योंकि हमने एक इंजर्ड प्लेयर को अनदेखा करके गोल कर दिया. Yes, agree the rest of the team. Vikas also accepted the yellow. आरिफ की इस वे से जब संतोष ने प्रोटेक्ट किया, संतोष ने सपोर्ट किया तो बाकी के टीममेट्स से, the other teammates of the blue house started supporting Arif for his right thing. Arif's actions seemed to be untouched a chord with the Reds who were able to the most aggressive a lot. इसके बाद आफ्टर दिस जो आरिफ ने किया, रेड हाउस जो बहुत एग्रेसिव टीम कहलाती है, रेड हाउस कॉल्ड वेरी एग्रेसिव, जो बहुत रफ गेम खेलती है, देयर गेम प्लान चेंज्ड एंड नाउ दे स्टॉप बीइंग एग्रेसिव इन द गेम. इन द रिमेनिंग मैच और बाकी के मैच थे, few they were more, the Reds changed their attitude. How? By seeing the sports spirit of the Arif, and soon the game softened their soft. Arif gestures seemed to make them realize there's something in the game which was more than winning it. तो ये कह रहा है कि गेम से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट जो चीज है वो स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट है जो आरिफ ने दिखाया. After that, the game plan of Red House totally changed, and whenever they were playing with polite and with soft. They didn't, because before their mind was to injure the opponent player. Now they have stopped. So here Arif was a very good example as a very good sportsman spirit, and he had given lessons to others. So here, what we can understand in the story, that winning is not important always. If there is a sportsman spirit, Okay, it shows the respect what Arif have got. After that, everyone started praising Arif for his work, right? So this is the end of the story. Students, I have given the notes in the PDF in the document section. Do copy the notes in the notebook and do copy the word meaning also. Correct? So with this we come to the end of the story. Thank you and God bless you all.